Hello, good morning, good afternoon. How are you? Are you good? Are you fine? Are you ready to start a new class? Good. Welcome to our English class of Aprender e Estudar em Casa. My name is Adilson Graça and I'm your 7th grade English teacher. We are going to work together for a few weeks. So, it's always a pleasure to remind you about wear your mask, wash your hand all the time, and use your hand sanitizer whenever you leave home. Antes de começar a nossa aula de hoje, vamos ver o que temos para hoje. Conseguem identificar a imagem que tenho aqui no quadro? What do you have? We have weather, right? And you can identify the sun here, right? Cloudy, and there is an umbrella too. Can you guess what is our topic for today? Good. Today we are learning about weather and seasons. More precisely, we are going to identify the 4 seasons that we have, and also we are going to describe the weather. So, have your 7th grade book with you, and the page that you are working on are from page 68 to 75. Mas antes de avançarmos, vamos ver um pequeno vídeo e vou voltar daqui a pouco.
Here we go. 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 Here we go.
Seasons of the year.
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 Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the spring to bring new life. Here comes the spring.
With the rain pouring down.
Here comes the spring.
With the flowers in the ground.
Here comes the spring.
With the rainbow in the sky.
Here comes the spring.
To bring new life.
Here we go.
Seasons of the year.
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 Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. winter.
With the ice and the snow.
Here comes the winter.
With the freezing cold.
Here comes the winter.
With the days getting shorter.
Here comes the winter.
With the nights getting longer.
Here we go. Oh,
Seasons of the year.
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 here we go. Oh.
Did you pay attention to the video? Okay, great. What did you learn about the video? Cool. Today we'll learn about the weather. Let's see in English some weather that we have. For example, we have windy. Can you repeat with me? Great, windy. And then cloudy. Can you repeat? Great, cloudy. Then partially cloudy. We have cloudy and partially cloudy. Can you repeat? Great, partially cloudy. Also, rainy. Can you repeat? Great, rainy. And then stormy. The weather is storming today. Can you repeat? Stormy. And then the weather is sunny when it's too hot. Great. Can you repeat? Sunny. Then snowing. Snowy when the weather is snowy. Snow. Can you repeat? Snowy. Let's see more. Foggy. When the weather is foggy. We say in English, today the weather is foggy. Can you repeat? Foggy. Great. Also, as you can see in the picture, the example of foggy. Also, we say the weather is sleet, as you can identify on the picture. Can you repeat? Sleet. Great. So since we have some weather in English, also there are some temperature according to each weather that you have. So let's go and see some temperature that we have. The first one here, when the weather is sunny, the temperature is burning hot or hot. As you can see, the weather is sunny. So next one, warm. When the temperature is warm, the weather is partly cloud. Can you repeat the warm? Great. The weather is partly cloud. And then we have the temperature cold. When is it cold? The temperature is cold when the weather is rainy. When it's rainy, the temperature is cold. Next, freezing cold. When the temperature is freezing cold, we can say that the weather is great. The weather is snowy. So also, when we have the temperature cool, the weather is cloudy. We say temperature is cool. And then, so far we learned about some types of weather. For example, the weather is windy, snow and snowy. Also, we saw some temperature according to its weather. We saw that when the temperature is hot or burning hot, the weather is, can you say it? Sunny, good. Also, we saw that when the temperature is freezing cold, the weather is snowy. Okay, great. Now, let's see, how do we ask someone about the weather in English? If you want to ask the weather today, let's see how to do it. So, we can say someone, how do you ask about the weather? The question is, what is the weather like today? As you can see on the picture, what do you have here? So today is sunny. We say today is sunny. And the temperature can be hot or burning hot. Great. And then, what about you? What weather do you like? Can you say it one more? Windy? No? Snowy? Can you say it? When the temperature is hot, how do we say? Sunny. Great. Do you like summer? Great. Do you like to go to Quebra-Canela during the summertime? We call it verão. Do you like? Great. When the temperature is hot, we go to the Quebra-Canela beach. Great. So now let's see some seasons that we have in English. The first one we have spring. When is spring? When you take the animals to the farm, we have spring, and the plants are growing. Also we have summer. Summer, as you can see, as you say, in the summer you can go to the beach because the temperature is so hot. Another season that we have here is autumn. Do you know that we can call it autumn or fall? Great, we have autumn too. During the autumn, the time is cool. The last one that you have is winter. When it is winter, we can say that the temperature is cold. Also, we can say that the temperature is freezing cold. Why? Because there is snow. Also, let's see the four seasons that you have in English. The first one we have is spring, we have summer, we have autumn or fall, and then we have winter. Great. So, did you pay attention to the class? So now, para ver se prestaram atenção durante a aula, let's do a short exercise. All right, on the exercise, what you have to do is simple. You have to read, match the symbols with the weather. So here, the first one we have hot, sunny, windy, stormy, cold, rainy, cloudy, warm, and snow. Just choose the words and match to the picture that we have here. Do it alone and I will be right back. Have you done your exercise? All correct? Okay, let's see. So let's go and correct it together. The first we have, number one, sunny. Number 2, snowy. Number 3, cloudy. Number 4, hot. Number 5, cold. Number 6, warm. Number 7, windy. Number 8, rainy. And the last one, number 9. The first one that you have is stormy. Congratulations. Did you do it all correct? Okay, good. So let me ask you this question. What is the weather like today? Windy? Sunny. Great. Today is sunny. What is the temperature? Hot. We can say the temperature is hot or the temperature is burning hot. Okay, great. Estamos a chegar ao fim de mais uma aula Aprender a Estudar em Casa, mas before that, you have a homework to do, where you have to complete the seasons and today's weather. And this exercise, you can find it on your book on page 68. So here on one side you have the weather, and on the other side you have the seasons. You have just to complete it. So what did we learn today? Good. Today we learned about weather, seasons, and temperature. We saw some weather, for example. Can you say it? What weather do we have here? Cool, wind. And then we have the one we call cloudy. Say it, cloudy. Cool. Also we have another one we call rainy. We say the weather is rainy. Then we have stormy. We say that the weather is stormy. Then the weather is sunny. Next one, we say that the weather is snowing. Can you repeat? Snowing. Then we can say that the weather is, how do you say it? Foggy. The weather is foggy. And then we saw some temperature, and we can say that today temperature is, how do we say it? Hot. When it's hot, the weather is sunny. And then we saw the temperature cold. When it's cold, the weather is windy. Cool. I know you could do that. So before we got to the end of the class, let's see what we learned today. Today we learned about the 4 seasons, which are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. We saw that when the seasons is during the winter, the weather is cold. During the spring, the weather is warm, and during the summer, the temperature is hot, or the weather is hot. And during the autumn, the weather is warm. So, see you next class. E assim chegamos ao fim de mais uma aula Aprender a Estudar em Casa. So, it's always a pleasure to be here with you, and see you then.